Can I use my EBT card at Walmart self-checkout machines?
Hello and welcome to our guide. Today, we're going to answer a question we often hear. Can I use my EBT card at Walmart self-checkout machines? The simple answer is, yes, you can. Let's dig deeper to understand how it works.
What is an EBT card?
EBT stands for Electronic Benefits Transfer. It's a card that looks and works much like a debit or credit card, but is loaded with benefits from SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or TANF, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families. You can use an EBT card to buy eligible food items at authorized food retailers.
Can I use EBT at Walmart self-checkout?
Yes, you absolutely can. Walmart accepts EBT cards at all of their locations across the U.S., and that includes the self-checkout lanes. It's a great way to shop at your own pace and maintain a level of privacy.
How do I use EBT at Walmart self-checkout?
Using your EBT card at a Walmart self-checkout is fairly straightforward. 1. Shop for your eligible groceries as you normally would. 2. Head over to the self-checkout machine. 3. Scan each item and place it in the bag. 4. When you're ready to pay, select the option for EBT on the self-checkout screen. 5. Swipe your EBT card through the card reader. 6. Enter your PIN when prompted. 7. The amount of your purchase will be deducted from your EBT balance. Remember, though, you can only use your EBT card to buy items that are eligible under SNAP or TANF guidelines. If you have any non-eligible items, you'll need to pay for those separately with a different form of payment. So, to wrap it up, you can indeed use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout machines. It's a simple, efficient, and private way to shop for your groceries. We hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy your shopping experience at Walmart.